Hello everyone, welcome to the Syberia Designs YouTube channel. I'm Lynn and I am so happy to announce the new December release from Syberia Designs. This release is full of spring flowers and fun little details, a background, some sentiments, a beautiful, gorgeous frame, but especially the flowers stand out. They're perfect to bring some joy and color to those cold winter months. First up, we have a stem set called Lovely Day. It has a bunch of fun little floral elements and a couple of sentiments, and there is a coordinating die set available that cuts out every single stamp image in the set. There are some beautiful examples from our design team. You will see those throughout the video. I love everything they came up with. Next up is a press plate and die set. This is called the Minimalist Flowers, and it's a beautiful large press plate of a flower image with two fun sentiments as well. There is as well a coordinating stencil set available to purchase alongside it. This is 4 layers to really bring out some beautiful colors and shadows in these flowers. Just feast your eyes on these stunning color combinations. Those large flowers really bring a beautiful pop of color to your cards. Next up, we have the Clematis die set. This is a really large die that nicely fills up an A2 card. You have the full die image, and then you have layering bits of the flowers, so you can add those in different colors and add some additional dimension to those. You can see those in the examples here. I love, again, the color combinations from our designers are simply stunning. Now, this background is one you may recognize. We released this a while ago as a press plate, but due to popular demand, we are releasing it as well as a stamp background. This is the abstract background stamp set, and it includes a bunch of sentiments for which there is a coordinating die set available, so it just cuts out all of these lovely sentiments as well. I think this is a beautiful basic stamp set to add to your collection because it contains a stunning background and a bunch of popular sentiments as well. We have 2 more die sets to finish this release. This is the Delicate Frame and Friend die set, which includes, like the name suggests, a delicate frame and a friend word die as well. The friend die has 2 layers, so you can add a shadow layer behind it as well. The second die set is the Hello and Hugs die set. This includes 2 sentiments, hello and hugs, and again, they both have shadow dies available with them as well. You've probably spotted these sentiments throughout the video already, and this frame is just such a stunning addition to your cards. I really enjoyed this release. I hope you do too. If you want to find out more about this release, go and check out the blog hop that is going on right now. You will find even more inspiration over there with a giveaway as well. So don't forget to check that out. You can find the link in the description below. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye!